A flowrider is a type of artificial wave machine used for surfing, bodyboarding, and flowboarding. It creates a continuous sheet of water that flows over a specially designed padded surface, simulating the experience of riding ocean waves. The flowrider is popular in water parks, resorts, and entertainment venues, offering a fun and safe environment for both beginners and experienced riders to enjoy surfing-like activities. Here are some tips to ride the flowrider successfully, whether you're a beginner or improving your skills. For beginners, bodyboarding, start flat on your stomach. Lie flat on the board with your elbows bent and hands gripping the front edge. Keep your body centered and balanced. Relax your body. Let the water do most of the work and avoid being too stiff. Relaxing helps you maintain better control. Steer with your hands, slightly. Push down with your left hand to steer right and with your right hand to steer left. Stay in the center. Try to keep your board centered on the wave for the smoothest ride. Learn to fall gracefully. If you fall, keep your arms and legs tucked in to avoid injury. The water will push you back up gently.